A warm greetings to everyone. Agriculture Makers in Mission IBPS AFO welcomes you to this video. And in this video, we are going to see the agricultural budget allocation for the year 2021 and 2022. And come on, let's get into the video. Before getting into the video, you have to know few of the terms related to budget so that it will be easy for you to understand. Very firstly, it is the budget estimate. It is given early before the starting of the financial year. It is the expected expenditure on a particular sector or ministry. For example, budget for the financial year 2021-22, that is from April 2021 to March 2022. The budget estimate is given on February 1st, 2021. And coming to the revised budget, in the budget estimate, few revisions are made in the mid of the financial year due to the change in trends or due to the launch of new scheme, so that we have to turn over the expenditure to some other sectors. For these things, few revisions are made in the budget and it is said to be the revised budget. And then it is the actual budget. It is the actual expenditure done for a particular sector, and it can be assessed only after the end of the financial years. Yes, you can able to see a chart here. In this, the budget for the financial years 1920, 2021 and 21-22, you can see for 2019-20 the actual budget is given, and for 2020-2021 the budget estimate and the revised budget is given, and for the year 21-22, that is the current financial year, the budget estimate is said to be 1,23,017.57 crore. This thing you have to remember. Yes, the budget allocation for this financial year for the Ministry of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare is said to be 1,23,017.57 crores. And for the Agriculture, Research and Education, the budget allocation is 8,514 crore. It is said to be 6%. And for the Ministry of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare, it is said to be 94% of the allocation. The total allocation for the sector is said to be 1,31,531 crore. It is said to be increasing when compared to the previous years. And the next, the budget allocation for the establishment expenditure of the center is said to be 557.47 crore. And then the budget for the central sector schemes and projects is said to be 1,05,018.81 crore. And in this, you have to read the names and the launch year and the themes of all the central sector schemes that I have given here. Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi, that is PM Kisan, has an allocation of 65,000 crore, which is said to be the highest in the allocation of agriculture budget, and it comprises 49% of the total budget. And then you have to read the important budget allocations for few important schemes. One such is for Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, that is the crop insurance scheme, the allocation is said to be 16,000 crore. And for the interest subsidy for the short term credit to farmers, the allocation is said to be 19,468.31 crore. This was said to be important. And then for the other central sector expenditure, it is 33.10 crore. Coming to the centrally sponsored schemes, actually I have mentioned the difference between central sector scheme and the centrally sponsored scheme. In case of the central sector scheme, the entire expenditure is borne by the central government itself, but in case of centrally sponsored scheme, this expenditure is borne between the central government, the state government, and the mentioned institutions. Coming to the point, the budgetary allocation for the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana is said to be 4,000 crore. And then you have to remember all the scheme names in the centrally sponsored schemes also. They are found to be important. The gist of schemes given here not only helps you to read the budget, instead they will give you an idea about the schemes which are important in case of the budgetary allocation, so that it will help you to read the scheme related things, their launches and everything. And then for the total centrally sponsored scheme, the allocation is said to be 17,408.19 crore. And it is not important to read all the stuff. Instead, you have to read only the key things and key points that are important in this budget. Coming to the developmental heads, the economic services includes crop husbandry, soil water conservation, cooperation, and all the other things. The total economic services, the budget allocation is 97,757.68 crore, and these things are less important when compared to the central sector schemes and centrally sponsored schemes, but you have to read instead. For others, the expenditure is said to be 25,259.89 crores. That is, in total, you will be getting 1,23,017.57 crore, which is 94% of the allocation. The remaining 6% is given for agriculture education purpose. And the policy proposals in the budget speech includes an agriculture and infrastructure development cess will be levied on the certain goods for financing agriculture infrastructures and other developmental activities. And these goods includes cotton, coal, gold, silver, alcoholic beverages, petrol and diesel. And then the agriculture infrastructure fund will be made available to the APMCs for augmenting the infrastructure. 1,000 more mandis will be integrated with the ENAM. The Operation Green Scheme, which presently provides subsidy on storage and transportation of top, that is tomato, onion and potato, will be extended to cover 22 perishable products to boost value addition and exports. And then the main focus of this budget is on increased credit flow to animal husbandry, dairy and fisheries, and then enhancing the allocation to rural infrastructure development to 40,000 crore, and then to double the micro irrigation fund to enhance the Operation Green Scheme from top to total, that is to 22 perishable products, and then 1,000 more mandis will be integrated to ENAM as I said before, and the Agriculture Infrastructure Fund would be made available for APMCs for augmenting their infrastructure facilities. And then coming to the growth of the sector comprising of agriculture and allied activities has been volatile. In 2020-21, the sector is estimated to grow at 2.3% as compared to 4.3% in 2019-20. And with this, the video comes to an end, and I hope the video will be very much useful to you. Do subscribe our channel and tap on the bell icon for our next earliest updates, and thank you for all your cooperation and support.